How to meditate. In our fast-paced and often chaotic world, finding moments of peace and tranquility can be a challenge. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve focus, or simply connect with your inner self, meditation can be a transformative practice. Today we'll explore how to meditate and get you started on your journey towards a more centered and mindful life. Step 1. Create a peaceful environment. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed during your meditation. Ensure that the lighting is soft and the temperature is comfortable. Consider using cushions or a chair to sit on for added comfort. Step 2. Choose a comfortable posture. You don't need to sit in a cross-legged position on the floor. Find a posture that works for your body, whether it's sitting in a chair with your feet flat on the floor or using a meditation cushion. Keep your back straight but not rigid, allowing your natural curvature to remain. Step 3. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes gently, and take a few deep breaths to relax. Then, allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Pay attention to the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Step 4. Be present. As you breathe, let go of worries about the past or future. Acknowledge any thoughts that arise without judgment and then gently return your attention to your breath. Step 5. Set realistic expectations. Don't expect immediate results from meditation. Like any skill, it takes time and practice to reap the benefits fully. Start with short sessions, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes, and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. Step 6. Consistency is key. Try to establish a daily meditation routine, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Over time, you'll notice the cumulative benefits of regular practice, including increased calmness, improved focus, and better emotional resilience. And lastly, patience and kindness. Be patient with yourself during your meditation journey. Your mind will wander, and that's perfectly normal. Instead of getting frustrated, approach your practice with kindness and self-compassion. Each moment of awareness is a step in the right direction. Meditation is a powerful tool that can help you find peace, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being. Remember that consistency, patience, and self-compassion are essential as you develop your meditation skills. If you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more everything how-tos.